Want to know a secret? Yawning is more than just being sleepy. Yawning is contagious. No, really. It's like a social chain reaction. See someone yawn and bam, you're yawning too. Even just thinking about it can set you off. Why? It's all about empathy and social bonding. Our brains are wired to connect with others. So when you see someone yawn, your brain goes, hey, join the club. Scientists think this dates back to our caveman days. It was a way to synchronize group behavior. Imagine a whole tribe yawning before bedtime. Cozy, right? Next time you yawn, remember, it's not just you. It's a reminder that we're all in this together. So, go ahead, yawn it out. You're just being human. And hey, did you yawn while watching this? Caught ya. Until next time, stay curious.